Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the sensitivity settings within the Rocket League 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Rocket League 2 game on your device, and once you have completed the basic tutorial levels, you will gain access to the main menu. From here, click on Settings and then click on Controls. Now within the control settings, you will see the various different sensitivity options. You can choose your steering and aerial sensitivity by swiping the sliders to the left or right. If you wish to increase this, then just drag it to the right and drag this to the left to decrease it. You can also define controller dead zone and the dodge dead zone. To redefine your sensitivity for your mouse, just swipe the slider within the mouse sensitivity option. After making your desired changes, you can go back to the main menu, and now when you tap on play, your newly defined sensitivity options will be applied to your game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the sensitivity settings within the Rocket League game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.